everyone, Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. So, probably don't know this, but I had some surgery and I am slowly recovering, but while I'm in that process, I wanted to put up a video, and this was one that I worked on ahead of time and did some filming ahead of time. It's going to be a short video, but I thought it'd be something you could enjoy while we're in this little bit of a slow phase right now. So sit back and enjoy this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. So in today's video, I'm going to take you to a blueberry farm. We're going to do some blueberry picking. Here we are, turning in to the road where the blueberry farm is. It's called Stemrich's. It's in northeastern Pennsylvania, very close to where I live. Look at this country road. This is quintessential Pennsylvania farmland. Beautiful, breathtaking country views every direction you look. I just love being out here in the farms. So we're arriving at the blueberry farm right now, and you can already tell there's quite a few cars here, lots of people. This farm attracts a lot of people. It's fantastic. And it's all these rows of blueberry bushes, and you can see it looks like I'm here by myself. That's how big this farm is. There are so many people here, and it's so spread out you can't even tell. Now we all have our own method of picking blueberries. I kind of use a two-finger method. Wonder how you do it. But however you do it, it's so much fun. And look at these blueberry bushes. They're loaded. There are a lot of white and pink ones, which just means there's plenty of blueberry picking in the future.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes, and I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes, and I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar.
Now this blueberry farm sells ice cream, so we definitely had to get some of that. They also have a little shed where they sell all things blueberry, and we purchased some blueberry honey and some blueberry candle melt and some blueberry balsamic vinaigrette. These products are some of our favorites that we get every single year.
Doesn't matter what I do, she's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress.
Alright, so as soon as we got home from the blueberry farm, the first thing I wanted to do is get this blueberry pancake smelling candle wax and put it in my candle melter to get the kitchen smelling amazing. The second thing we did was make some lunch. We made a blueberry and feta cheese salad, and of course we dressed that with the blueberry balsamic vinaigrette that we just bought at the blueberry farm. Perfect lunch. After lunch, we got going on this blueberry pie. Now, I will definitely include the recipe in the description below so that you can make this pie if you want to. The recipe actually says the best blueberry pie ever. It is pretty good. So we lined up all our ingredients and we started with a pre-made pie crust. Next, you measure out your blueberries. Then we're going to get all the dry ingredients together, and this is going to include your sugar and some cornstarch, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg. Get that all mixed together. Then you are going to add your wet ingredients to this, and that includes some lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of water. Get that all mixed together, and it makes like a nice slurry. Popping the blueberries into the pie crust, you can see that these blueberries are amazing. The size of them and the color, so fresh and delicious. Next, we're going to spread that slurry all over our blueberries. Make sure you get it in all the nooks and crannies. Take your time pouring it in so that you spread it out pretty evenly through the pie. Okay, here's the point where you get to make a choice. You can either put a blueberry crumble on the top of your pie, which is included in the recipe, or you can put another piece of pie crust. We chose pie crust, and I fluted the edges. I use a fork to flute my edges. And if you're using crust, you do need to make some holes for the steam to escape. We made our holes in the shape of stars. Then we painted the top of it with some egg white, and we covered our edges with a tin circle that keeps the edges from burning, and popped it in the oven. Nothing says summer like a fresh piece of blueberry pie. I hope you make your own pie, and I really hope that you get yourself to a blueberry farm and pick your own berries. It is so much fun. Happy summer, everyone.